There is a secret AI niche that a lot of creators are sleeping on right now. Yes, you heard me right. A lot of AI content creators are currently sleeping on this particular niche. Now, let me tell you this. If you're an AI content creator, you're a beginner AI content creator, or you're looking to come into the AI content creation space, this video is for you, because this niche is not one of those oversaturated niches where you come in and you're scraping for the bare minimum. This is something you can actually establish upon. Now, a few weeks ago, a client reached out to me for a gig, and in the process of doing the job, I thought about something. I asked myself a question. I said, what if I establish myself as somebody who does this for brands? But then again, I said, how many things can one person do? So I moved on. And then a few days ago, I saw a post by one of the big creators online, somebody I look up to and admire in the content creation space. And she was asking her audience, she said, how well are your AI generated ads performing? And surprisingly, I saw that over 80% of the comments were actual business owners giving positive feedbacks on how their AI generated ads were actually converting into sales. Like, they were making tons of sales from their AI generated ads. And it got me thinking, yes, because honestly, when I saw that post, I thought I was going to see a very mixed comment section. Of course, there were a few comments of people saying, well, they were a bit skeptical at first when they saw it was AI generated. But mind-blowingly, a lot of people there were saying they made purchases from AI generated ads. Then there were actual business owners also saying that they were making massive sales from those ads. Now, think about it. When you come into the AI content creation space, or you're somebody thinking of coming into AI content creation, honestly speaking, a lot of the ideas that comes to your head at first is AI faceless content channels, or African folktale content, or general storytelling content, or you're thinking of AI animated videos, general maybe dance videos or funny videos, etc. But what if you can position yourself as somebody who does professional cinematic AI generated ads for businesses? What if you can carve a niche for yourself right now and become the go-to person for even if you target small business owners and start generating their AI images, their videos for their AI ads? Think about it. On a day-to-day basis, I see a lot of big brands running adverts, and when I look at these videos, I know these are AI generated ads. And I've never really thought about it if this ads actually converts, but I just see it as normal because I'm an AI content creator, so I just assume. But to see those actual feedback of business owners giving this thumbs up, it made me realize that this is a niche to explore. Of course, this is probably not your first time of hearing about AI ads, or even seeing AI ads, or even watching tutorials on how to generate these ads. But what if you can position yourself as somebody who does this for brands, for businesses, for creators? Got me thinking, because businesses will always need marketing, but not all businesses have huge marketing budgets, right? So that is where you come in. You're not just going to be creating AI videos or adverts for brands or businesses. You can also become a tutorial expert, somebody who has done it and is now teaching other people to do it, which can lead to you getting monetized online. You can also create digital products from this particular niche, where you have your ebooks, your short courses, your videos, where people pay and then they gain access to these courses and learn to do it for themselves. But let's get back to it. So the secret niche we're looking at is becoming a professional advert creator for businesses or brands using AI, right? So imagine a business owner or a brand reaches out to you and says, we're creating a product and we need professional advert videos, or we're having an ongoing sales and we want you to create advert videos for us. What you need to do is first go into your research mode, right? Research on the brand, research the industry, understand what the market is about, understand the competitors, look at the other competitors and see what they are doing right. And then you will now have the knowledge of what is ideal for this particular brand. The next step is to head over to any of the AI tools. For me, I prefer using ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and the rest. Use ChatGPT, you can come up with your idea, you can generate a script for the advert video, you can use ChatGPT to even have sample images for your advert. and then you can go on to create your videos using tools like Higgsfield, Google Flow, and the rest. Once you have generated these videos, go over it, ensure it is what you need and it is stopped here before submitting it to the customer or the brand. And that's it. You have started positioning yourself as somebody who does this for businesses. You can create social media pages where you constantly talk about the things you do, positioning yourself rightly before your target audience. You can also teach creators, beginners in the AI industry, how to generate high quality product videos for brands. You can also monetize it using your digital products and the rest. So this is a niche that I highly recommend to beginner AI creators. You should look into it, explore it, and see how best you can position yourself and start making something out of it. Now, if you enjoyed this tutorial or this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, my name is Christy Daniel. Do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share this video, and leave a nice comment. I'll see you in the next one.